Start with your noodles. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil. Here's the trick though. Don't overcook them. You want them slightly underdone because they're going back into the pan later, and if they're already soft, they'll turn mushy fast. When the garlic turns golden, lower the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Keep stirring until everything melts together into this glossy, sticky sauce that coats the back of a spoon. Let it sit undisturbed for a few seconds before gently folding it in. You want soft, pillowy curds, not scrambled dust. Quick question for you. Are you team soft, silky scrambled egg or team crispy golden fried egg? Drop your answer down in the comments. I really want to know. Here's a little bonus for you. If you've got leftover rotisserie chicken or a few shrimp sitting in your fridge, toss them in with the noodles for a completely new meal with almost zero extra effort. This noodle soup looks like it came straight from a proper noodle shop, and it comes together in under 15 minutes. Let's go. Start by marinating your sliced squid, about 3.5 ounces, that's 100 grams, with a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and a drizzle of oil. Let it sit for a few minutes while you prep everything else. Heat your pan over high heat. Add the marinated squid and mushrooms together and stir-fry quickly until just cooked through. The squid should curl slightly and the mushrooms should be golden. Once they're done, push the whole mixture to the side of the pan. Now crack 1 egg right into the center of that empty space. Fry it to your liking, sunny side up for that gorgeous runny yolk, or flip it if you prefer it set. In the last 30 to 40 seconds, add the bok choy. You just want it lightly wilted, still bright green, still with a little bite. Don't overcook it. Ladle the noodles and broth into a bowl. Now layer everything on top. The squid, the mushrooms, and that beautiful fried egg right in the center. If you loved this, smash that like button, share it with someone who still eats instant noodles the boring way, and subscribe to Emma Tips for more simple recipes you can actually use every day. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.